Good afternoon, y'all. My name's Joe. Welcome back to another episode of Z Fighter Performance Garage. For today's build, we are back on our 2000 Dodge Viper GTS. What we're going to be doing in today's video is removing our hood, front bumper, and headlights. We're going to be trying to plastic weld some new tabs or some existing tabs onto our passenger side headlight, as well as plastic welding a crack that's on our passenger side headlight. And also going to show you a couple parts that came in, passenger side rocker panel, as well as another set of rims and tires. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. So since we have taken our front bumper off of our Dodge Viper, gives us access to remove the nuts that are holding the passenger side headlight on. Unfortunately, we only ran one of these up there just because there are some issues with our passenger side headlight that I had stated previously, which is right here. We're going to have to basically cut this out, make the hole bigger, and replace it and plastic weld this in. So that's what we're about to do. Okay, so we have removed our passenger side headlight assembly, and you can see right here and right here is where we're going to have to plastic weld in our stud, and we'll probably try and plastic weld right here because there's a little bit of a crack right in here, so that way we can get that kind of solid and have no issues with this. What we're going to do right now is go ahead and take this back cover off of our headlights, so that way we can, one, check and see if the headlight bulbs are there or if they're blown or what's going on. Also give us a little bit of access into the inside of our headlight area. So all right. So we just arrived to Harbor Freight Tools. We're going to run inside and pick up a plastic welding tool, so that way we can fix the passenger headlight on our 2000 Dodge Viper. Let's go see what they got. Alrighty, we just wrapped up going on our trip into Harbor Freight. We were able to find a plastic welding kit, which does have some black plastic sticks as well as a soldering iron style tool. It's pretty easy to use. It's inexpensive, should do exactly what we're wanting it to do for our passenger side headlight on our Dodge Viper. As well as we bought a few other things. We bought a threaded insert rivet kit, so that way we can fix the gas cap for our gas tank that we had to drill out the rivets in a previous video. We're going to go ahead and put those in, so that way we can screw in a bolt and not have to worry about riveting it in and then having to drill it out later on if we have to get into that area for our gas tank. So we're going to use that. We also got some shims, so that way we can shim the headlights, and some nuts and bolts because they were on sale, and honestly, nuts, bolts, and washers are always going to be used when working on cars. So we are leaving Harbor Freight, and as I was driving away, I saw this 1990s Nissan 300ZX Z32 twin turbo. Looks pretty dirty, but these are also really fun, cool cars to drive. I've had several of these throughout my years, and we definitely have a Z32 slick top coming to the channel soon with a full, complete, crazy build that hopefully you'll stay tuned for and enjoy. But yeah, looks good. Before I get back on our passenger side headlight, I wanted to just show what just came in from Dallas. My dad actually went and picked this up. It is the passenger side rocker panel. We did order one that was kind of messed up, but we found a very, very, very good deal. Shout out to the guy that sold this to us. I couldn't believe that we were able to get one that wasn't all bent and busted and broken for pretty much the same price that I paid for the busted one for. So we're going to end up getting rid of that one and putting this one on the car and painting it. So we also acquired another set of 2000 Dodge Viper rims with new tires. They're the Michelin Pilot Sports, pretty much brand new. We're gonna replace them with our old busted rims and tires, and hopefully we can get this car going here soon and take it down the road. Just wrapped up plastic welding these two tabs into our headlight assembly, as well as this whole area right here was cracked all the way up. So we went ahead and plastic welded that as well. And you know, it's not the prettiest. I'm gonna probably touch it up a little bit more, sand it down, paint it, but it's solid. It's not going anywhere. So definitely for a cheap tool from Harbor Freight, it did exactly what I needed it to do, and I'm excited to get these headlights put on the car for hopefully the last time, get them shimmed up and aligned properly, and get our front bumper assembled as well as our front hood, and go forward from there. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you get all new content coming to the channel. See you next time.